Guys, today in this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a dishwasher. Yes, a dishwasher. Alright, I'm going to fix that later. So, if you want to make a dishwasher, I'm saying it wrong so badly. Alright, so, oh shoot, I forgot something. Alright, so, you're going to need all these items that I have below. Alright, so I'm going to put this down. Alright. Wait. Put that down, okay. Yeah, but what the hell? There's someone knocking on my door. I don't have any other door. Is there any front door? No, here. From the back door? They got no fucking side. So, oh shit, I just. Oh, I cussed again! Alright, okay. Let's make a dishwasher. Yes, it is pretty easy. I gotta say, nice design. But I'll see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye!